I'm going to present on the topic of susceptibility vessel sign for the assessment of intraarterial thrombus and thrombus body in the patient with the acute ischemic stroke. It is an MRI sequencing which can detect the intraarterial thrombus due to the distortion of the magnetic field. It can We are focused on this study with the variety relation between the SPS and the stroke, the variety of various risk factors of the stroke and the territory involved in the stroke. Similarly, the relation of the length of the thrombus with the NHS score. It was a retrospective cross-sectional study conducted in the UDNINAS, Kathmandu, Nepal. The study period was 1 year. The selection criteria has these, and the exclusion criteria was the impact of the hemorrhagic transformation. Total number of 105 persons were involved in the study. This is the MRI protocol. The imaging analysis were conducted by two blind radiologists, and the MRI images were conducted by a interventional neuroradiologist, vascular neuroradiologist. The statistics was performed in the SPSS software. The result found out that total number of the patient was 105, and this shows all the results. This is the result of the patient which were positive, which had positive SPS and SWI sequencing, and this shows the bar diagram of association of SPS and the SWI with the risk factor. We can conclude that the SPS and the SWI is associated with the risk factor. This is the territory involved in the patient with which had the positive SPS and the SWI, most commonly being the MCM territory, and this shows the value of the chi-square test being 35.980 percentage, resulting into the significant relation of SBS and SWI with the territory involved. And this was the Pearson correlation coefficient diagram with the which resulting into the moderate correlation between the length of the thrombus and the NHS score. This is the figures A showing the MR angiography occlusion on the distal IC and the left MC segment, and the figure B is essential for showing the susceptible vessel sign. Similarly, in the case of the figure C, the MRA shows the occlusion in the M1 segment of the right MCA, and figure D shows the SPS in the distal MCA M1 2 segments of the MCA. Talking about this, it and highest SWI sequencing has highest sensitivity than D2 for the detection of the blood products. In our study, 62% of the patient had positive positivity of SW and SBS, and our result concluded that the SPS sign and the SWI is dependent on the territory of the artery in blood. There is a positive correlation between the SPS and the SWI with the cardiac disease, and there is a moderate correlation between the NHS score and the length of the thrombus in determining the acute stroke burden. The limitation of a study, it was a retrospective cross-sectional study, and the patient were only diagnosed in the 1.5 Tesla MRI. We can conclude that SBS is very useful in identifying the length of the thrombus, and with the help in the better management of the patient.